Why looking like this?
It's your mommy.
What happened to my mommy?
What to just hit your mommy on the expressway? Chinedu, are you okay? I'm very sorry. Chinedu, I'm really sorry.
The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it
How'd you get? Why not happy? Do you know what that means? Mama's laughing. I'm happy.
You are a mumu man. You be mumu, you call other people mumu.
Chinedu, was it prank?
They never show you say you be mumu.
He shot you.
So Chinedu, it has gotten to this. Don't mommy me. So it has gotten to the point whereby you don't even have my back. Backslider.
I didn't know it was a prank.
You know it was a prank. What if it was not a prank? I'm with you spiritually.
No problem.
Vitamin C? Chinedu, just tell me the truth. I promise you I'm not going to beat you. Who stole the meat from the cooking pot?
Mommy, I'm not
I knew you were the person. I'm with you spiritually.
No problem.
NIN.
She's the boss of you and you
Shut up! Give me a turn to speak! Fine, see? You do that to me. How does it feel? How does it feel to be told to shut up?
We've talked about it.
Let me speak! How does that
Do
feel?
not.
How does that feel?
Do not put your hands on me. Do you understand?
Shut up! Fine, see? How does it feel to be told shut up? You see? You're not impressed with me!
Yeah, this God. Oh.
Reporting live from a scene where a mother just murdered her child. We are waiting to hear from the suspects.
You want to please others and displease all.
Father, why did you kill your child?
The work is done.
I'm with him spiritually.
No problem.
Mafiet. Chinedu, come inside. Chinedu, come inside. Come inside.
Hello, Chibike.
Chinedu, did you hear that gunshot?
Gunshots? No, Mom, it's just my ringtone.
What kind of dangerous ringtone is that? I'm with you spiritually.
No problem.
Sapa,